Open your book to page 166. This is lesson 5.4, and this is on the circle graphs. So just like before, this time the graph is going to be in the form of circle. Okay, so let's go to page 166 and look at the graph. Okay, so this is a circle graph because the graph is a circle. Okay. And again, you just look at the graph and try to answer the questions. So A, what percent of the course grade is based on the student's test score? So here, if you look at the test is 50%. Okay, so answer is 50%. B, what percent of the course grade is based on the student's quiz score? So again, look for the quiz. The answer is 10%. Okay, let's go to C. What percent of the course grade is based on the student's test and quiz score? So test and quiz, the answer would be 60%. Okay, and you go to D. Which score will count as 1/4 of the course grade? So 1/4 is 25%, so answer would be final exam. So final exam is 1/4 of the course grade. Okay, you go to E. Which score will count the least? So look over here, which one the least? The answer is quizzes. So quizzes will count the least. Okay. Now let's go to example 2. Okay, again, let's just look at the picture and try to answer the question. It says, what percent of the college income comes from the property tax? So look at this picture over here. So property tax is 25%, I see over here. So that's 25%. You go to B, which is the largest source of income for the college? So you can learn, these are the income. This is the expense, right? So income, and which one is it? Okay, the answer is the state funds. State funds are 60%, right? So that's the biggest. Okay, what is the smallest source of income for college? The smallest source would be lottery, okay, because I only have 6%. Okay, D, what percent of the college budget is spent on faculty and non-faculty salaries? So now this is spending, right? So spending is this graph over here. This is income. This is money is come in. This is money goes out, right? And so you're looking for faculty and non-faculty salaries. So this is over here. So it'll be 30 and 45. So the answer is 75%. Okay. Now you go to E. If the college total budget is 50 million, how much is spent on supply? See, so supply is 5%. So it's 5% of the 50 million. So you use, so you have to figure it out. So example 2E. So you got 50 million. Okay, and out of that is 5%. So go and times it by 5%. So these are supplies. And so all you have to do is just go and cancel 2 zeros and multiply. So you're going to get 25. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay, so answer would be $2.5 million. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to F, example 2F. Okay, it says if the college total budget is 50 million, how much is spent on faculty salary? Okay, so again, if you go over here, the faculty salary is 45%. Okay, so just like before, you have the $50 million. Okay, and you have to times it by 45%. Okay, and so again, you cancel the 2 zeros and you multiply. So 5. So you got 5 times 45, right? So 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 5 is 20. So it'll be 225. So you're going to get 225, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, right? Okay, and so the answer would be $22.5 million.